I made over $1 million using one platform, Skool. No fancy tech, just a community, a course, and consistent value. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps I took to build a $1 million revenue system using Skool and how you can start one today, even if you're a total beginner. So the first thing you want to pick is your profitable skill. Now, this skill needs to be in the health, wealth, or relationship niche. The reason for that is none other than every human on planet Earth wants better relationships, better health, and they want more money. Every decision the human makes is around one of those three things. If they make a decision and it's not around one of those three things, call me, they're probably an alien. This is how humans work. And so for me, I spent years in the fitness niche. Now, if you're listening to me or you're watching this video, you go, Tanner, I don't have skills in relationships. Like, I'm not good with girls. I am not good at making money. I'm not in shape. Okay, then you need to learn a skill. What I usually would recommend is to find a skill in the wealth niche. Why? It pays the most, usually. And so what I would do is, if you don't have one, is you can click the link down below. It goes to my free Skool community. You start learning that skill. Or if you don't want to use my stuff, go to allison.com, ALISON.com, and type in anything you want and learn the skill for free. They have actual curriculum and video tutorials completely free. You can go through and learn a skill. There's no excuse. You have to do this. This is step one. Now, without the profitable skills, step two won't work. But once you have that, then you need to build a free Skool group. And I want you guys to see how I actually built mine so you can see the best way to build it out. Now, there's a million ways to build it out. I want to show you how mine looks. So first and foremost, you have an about page. On the about page, I have this main video. I won't play it right now, but it's a video talking about the group. Then we show them what's the difference between our free and paid group. That's going to come back into this later. We show some wins for some of our clients. We go through some of the frequently asked questions. We also then will say, join now to learn, and we have a client testimonial here. And then we show them the framework. Down below, I also put a little bit more about the curriculum and what's inside and how it's for free, even though we could probably charge a lot of money for it. When we come to the community itself, we have different breakdowns here. Okay, so if you look at our different places you can post, you can put general, questions, win, introduction, YouTube trainings, or Tanner wisdom, right? That's when I will post either something like this, or I'll post something that's happening in my business or my company, announcements, and that's pretty much it. Then you go to the classroom, and here's the best way I found to do it. We've had 6 people this month pay $14.97 for a year access to our paid community, okay? If you come in the free Skool group, you can kind of check that out. But the benefit of that is what we do and how we get people in that is we have a start here video, right? Tell them how this community is gonna work, and we have some links down below. But then what I've done in the next curriculum, so I call this Sell and Scale. So as you come through here, you will get free curriculum. Absolutely, you get week 1, you get some bonuses. We have the whole curriculum on paid ads, it's like 14 videos. But then when you come to week 2, it makes you upgrade. And then when you come to week 3, it makes you upgrade. And so when you click on this, it takes you to a page that talks more about our program. Now, we also split test this by running this to the actual paid Skool group. So if I come here, we tested running straight to, let me pull this up in the incognito window. This is what you would see if you came to the group, $14.97 a year. We are split testing that between running that there and then running it to a page. So far, running it to a page has worked better, but the jury's still out. And the reason I do it for a year is because if you do monthly recurring revenue, it sounds great on paper, and some people will talk a lot of crap about it, about how great it is, but they're usually getting about 20% attrition. And so if you're selling it for $37 or $97, it's not really gonna work. That's more about the paid group, but the free group is where you need to start. And the cool part, I wanna show you guys how our ads are working at scale. We have a couple different accounts, but I'll show you this one. This one right here, we're getting at scale, you guys can see here, $9 to $12 leads into our Skool community. And this is a B2B business offer. So it's a lot more competitive. That is extremely cheap. Usually we'll get, $20 leads, $25 leads, etc. So when you bring them in here, build a lot of trust, you can give a lot of value, you can do lives, you can do webinars, you can email them, you can text them. This is the building blocks of how you need to start as a free group that moves then into the paid group. Now, once you built your group, you obviously want to add value and content. I already took you through that a little bit. I'll take you guys through it again. So my theory was to build out the free group and make the first part free and then make the other parts in the paid group. So this is the paid group. So if you come in the paid group, you have the business OS, which you saw in the free one, and then you see the bonuses, and then we go into leads, right? Then we go into conversion OS. We go to conversion OS sales, conversion OS DMs. There's a lot of stuff in here. So once we get people in the free group, we will add more value in the paid group. The key thing here is you need to build out the course beforehand. So I actually want to show this on the screen to you guys. This is our entire curriculum built out before. So we built out, there's about 15 videos here. There's about 15 videos here, about 15, not 15, 10 here, 7 or 8 here, 5 here. We built this all out. And then in the second one, we had about another 20 videos. So we built this all out beforehand on this spreadsheet. So we knew exactly what we were going to talk about. We had the presentation, team knew what they were going to edit on, deliver, publish, etc. And so we were able to build a really good curriculum. Every time that I just do things off the cuff, it never really does as well. Even in this YouTube video right now, I have bullet points to make sure I hit on everything and I don't miss anything. You're gonna wanna make sure you do that so that you can add the best value and content humanly possible. That's gonna segue into the paid group. So I already showed that to you, but But you want to have a paid group, and the reason for that is when you're spending money on ads, let's say you're getting leads in for $10 and you spend $1,000 a day to get 100 leads a day. If you can get 2%, 3% to upgrade to your paid program, so when they come in the paid group, they upgrade to your paid program, that's going to liquidate some of your ad spend. Now, you might not liquidate 100%, but you could liquidate some of it. So for example, this first month testing this, right? Because we always test stuff out first, even though I spent millions of dollars on ads, we spent $15,000 on this community, very small, but we made $6,000 back from upgrades to the paid community. So that means we only spent about $9,000 to get the leads, and then any high ticket upsells pretty much are pure profit. That's what I like to see. When you do monthly recurring revenue, you usually don't get enough clients. So I am a bigger fan, bringing them into the free group, have them go through you, one, give them a little bit, and then have them upgrade. And when they upgrade to the paid group, over deliver, just really over deliver. And the cool part is when they're inside the paid group, you can also have links to join your one-to-one mastermind. So if someone comes here and they click on this will actually take them to our BSL about our one-to-one private mastermind, right? Where we really work with high-level businesses and scale them to $1 million a month and beyond. You want to make sure that's how you use the paid group. It's really to help liquidate some of the ad spend and then get people into the one-to-one coaching. That's what we like to do. That's what I like to do. And that's what I've seen work the absolute best. Now, paid group's great, but you got to get people there. So one of the things we've done to get people there is have weekly calls. So if I come over here to the free group and you go to the calendar, we will do a webinar once a week. Okay, so on these webinars, let's say I get 10 people and one person books a call. Well, in a month, that will be an extra 4 calls. And let's just assume when these people book a call, they're ready to buy. That'll be 4 more high ticket upsells. Okay, that's just a random number. In the paid community, here's what's cool. So in the paid community, we have a mix of group, people who only paid for the community, so it's $14.97 for a year. And then we also have one-on-one clients. Well, if you come in here, we actually have all of our Zoom calls live in here. Here's what's cool. If they're not a one-on-one client, but they can come to these calls, the staff or the account manager can coach them and then possibly get them to ascend. So it's a win-win. So that's how we will set up the calls, or how I suggest you set up the calls, is in your paid community, you will allow the paid members in the group to come on those one-to-one group calls. Okay, they don't get private calls, just group calls. And then in your free community, do weekly webinars. And what I would do is have maybe 6 webinars about different topics. So for me, it might be offer, leads, lead nurture, sales, fulfillment, upsells. And then I will rotate those webinars after I built them, so I'm not constantly having to create new content, because after 6 weeks, more than likely, you're gonna have a lot more new leads, and that will be a new presentation for the people that come to that call, right? You don't have to constantly be trying to create stuff. You can, obviously, but guys, as you build and scale a business, there's always a million things to do. There's YouTube videos, there's Instagram reels, there's sales calls, there's managing the team, there's hiring, there's training, there's so much stuff. So the more you can keep stuff simple, where you don't have to constantly have to recreate stuff, the better it's gonna be. So that's how I would set up the calls if you're gonna run them inside your group. Now, you may have noticed this, but another easy way to pick up a lot of cash is just have links to your different offers and services. So as someone comes through here, they have a way to book a call, okay? They have a way to get a free trial with Skool. I get paid out on that. They have a way to start a 7-day free trial with our white label, go high level software, Elite 360. And then they can also get a referral of $300 just by getting someone to come in this group and pay, okay? Pretty easy. So the benefit of that is now I can make more money with the same amount of clients. And that's kind of the thing you want to do, is if you can get, 100 leads, and you get some of the leads to pay for the high ticket, some to do the affiliate program, and some to come into your white label, go high level, or whatever it is you're selling, that's where you can really start to liquidate ad spend. And the goal is, if you can liquidate ad spend, you can spend $100,000 and make $100,000 before any high ticket sales, then everything after that is profit. And that's really what I'm really trying to do here. But monthly recurring revenue doesn't really work. That's why you see me selling a yearly option. And in the yearly option, I offer a free call. So since November, since doing that, I've had about 160 calls. And from that, we've had about 15 or 20 people upgrade to a $98,000 program. So the irony is that's making me the most amount of money by offering a Zoom call or a 2-hour in-person session for $14.97. It's been absolutely phenomenal. Highly recommend it if you're thinking about it. Another great way to get people inside the group talking about your program to engage, possibly upgrade, is to do giveaways and rewards. So what we're about to do this next month is we're actually going to do a challenge. And then based on the challenge, the winner is going to get $1,000. They're going to get a private call with me. We're trying to give them stuff that they actually want. What that does is it creates more engagement in the group. It gets more people to participate. And if you can get more people to participate and engage in the group, you're going to make more sales. And so one of the things I try to live by of building a business is just give people a reason to do stuff. If you're not getting the result you want, give people a reason to do it. And so you can say, hey, whoever has the best win of this month, who posts it in the wins column. So let's say we come here on the screen and you come in this wins column, I will give $1,000. You will be shocked at how many people start doing it. And as people start doing it, they're going, oh my gosh, I'm missing out. They get FOMO. You're missing out by not joining your higher level programs. Or you could do a challenge and you just make a winner at the end of the challenge. So I don't think this is something something for a CEO to do. You do need to have a social media manager, but by doing this, you absolutely will make more money in print cash. Now, as you get people in your free community, the reason you're getting them in there is not to get them in the pay group, it's to get them in your one-to-one high price program, right? And so as you come in the free community, absolutely I have links to my pay group, but the real thing I want to get them to do is to schedule a strategy call, push them into your high level program. So this is a VSL. So the point I'm trying to emphasize right here is put a VSL or a sales page or a sales letter inside your free community. Give them a place where they can see what it is you can do and why they should work with you. So for me, the reason you guys hear me mention this so much is very few people have done it. It's just something a lot of people haven't done. So if you're looking at my screen, how I made $115 million in 6 years with an online business. The goal is to get people into the free community and show them who I am, because a lot of people don't know who I am, right? Like, you might think you're a big deal. A lot of people out in the world, they don't know you exist. That's a hard thing to realize. But when you do realize that, it means you have to do a good job of delivering a lot of great value up front so that you build trust quicker. Because if people don't know who you are, they're very unlikely to spend a lot of money with you. So inside your free community, make sure you create a sales page similar to that one so they know why they should work with you. Now, paid sales is great, but the best sales is organic sales, because you don't have to pay for ad spend. So if your typical customer costs you $2,000 of ads, for every $2,000 you spend, you get one customer, and you get it for free, it's absolutely insane. And so if you put time into YouTube and Instagram, that would be my best bet for where you're gonna make the most sales. Now, if you can only choose one, if I could go back in time, I would have put more time into YouTube. Why? Because people who watch these videos, if you watch all the way to the end, you're a serious fan. You like me, or you like my content, and you really like this video, one of the two. Those people are the best conversions to buy your service. And on top of that, you can funnel them inside your Skool community. So if you guys see at the bottom of my videos, I have a link to my Skool community to try to funnel people from these videos inside my Skool community, build rapport and trust, and then possibly turn them into a high-paying client. So when you can drive traffic organically, that is why you'll see guys like Mr. Beast become billionaires, because he's not good at business, he's good at content. And in theory, if you can be good at content and business, then you'll become Alex Hormozi. And last but not least, when people sign up for those sales calls, so when we go back to this page right here and people sign up for the sales calls, you guys will see one of my applications to make sure people are vetted. You guys can text that number, it's not my number, but they'll come through and we'll vet them. And what happens is, usually if we get 100 people who apply, we will only take about 40 live calls. And the reason is we get so much traffic, right? We get so many people who want to apply, but they don't have the money, they don't want to start, or they need a spouse's permission or a business partner. And so we're not going to take those calls. The benefit of that is it keeps your business very efficient, and you only spend time with people who actually want to buy. If you think someone's going to buy, don't get rid of the call. But if you're unsure, there's really no reason to go out on a limb and to add it to your calendar, because for those extra hours you're taking calls is time you could be doing other things. So that's how I made over $1 million with my Skool community in a very short time. If you want to see how I've done $115 million in 6 years, click here.